Occupying a private, elevated position capturing magnificent hinterland views over a generous 2-acre parcel of land, this beautifully appointed family home is an idyllic rural retreat. Enjoy a choice of open-plan living areas, including the main lounge room, capturing a lovely outlook over the surrounding valley, while the dining space connects effortlessly to a wide outdoor entertaining deck and an inviting plunge pool. A modern kitchen is perfectly positioned between the living areas and is beaming with natural light. Complete with quality features including stone bench tops, it's the perfect space to connect with the family. A spacious main bedroom features a walk-in robe and lovely ensuite, while 3 additional bedrooms are fitted with built-in robes and connect to a stylish bathroom with a double vanity. Additional features include a large rear yard with plenty of grass to enjoy, a 3-bay machinery shed and double garage, plus a double carport and air conditioning. Experience the dream of serene hinterland living just 25 minutes to Ballina's beaches. For more information, please contact Team Johnston.